Attention! Listen up, pickleballers!
There's a new pickleball comedy movie coming out on National Pickleball Day for free.
Share this around. If you laugh, you laughed your balls off.
You must trust the process.
Drop the paddles!
Get ready
If you're playing close to the net, I'm hitting you with.
Oh my!
for the first ever
It's not just me. She bangs with a lot of guys.
What?
pickleball comedy compilation movie.
Kitchen, please leave my house.
15 pickleball creators
Nowhere to go!
Court 1's open. Let's get another demon.
Jimmy!
What? Do not ever go back to those courts. Ever again.
You beating up on children now, Christine?
20 short films. See what they saw. Streaming exclusively online.
I am talking to you!
For free. Hosted by a man who plays dirty to win.
Hey, what's up? I'm Dirty.
Dirty J.
Hey, voiceover guy. I can introduce myself. You don't have to introduce me.
It's literally my job to do the voiceover of the trailer.
Well, I'm hosting the movie, so it makes sense I host the trailer too.
Okay?
Now, back to the trailer.
So get ready.
For the funniest.
Ball-busting entertainment you won't want to miss.
It's gonna be huge.
Night of Pickleball Comedy
Streaming August 8th.
on National Pickleball Day. Click the link in comments and get the movie for free.
And when you register, we're picking 3 lucky winners to win a priceless gift. I will see you on the other side.